Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Christy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright you guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be giving you guys a 90s inspired makeup tutorial. First and foremost, the 90s have made a comeback for the comeback, you guys. So everything right now that's going on, from the clothes to the fashion to the hair, is all 90s vibes, and I'm here for it, sis. I'm here for it. Bring it on, because that was the best era to be in, you guys. So before we get into the video, I want to say thank you guys to all my new subscribers and my existing subscribers. Thank you guys for continuously watching my channel, supporting your girl. You know what I mean? But make sure you guys go ahead and give me some thumbs up there, because that matters in the YouTube world, okay? So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. So I've already done my brows, as you guys can already see. I normally do my brows before hopping on camera a lot of times, unless it's just like a detailed step-by-step makeup tutorial. I've already primed my eyelids as well, so we're gonna get straight into it, you guys. And I want you guys to tag down, comment down below if you are a 90s baby. Drop it down below and tell me what was your favorite musician, your favorite clothing brand, whatever was popping in the 90s. I want you guys to drop it down below and tell me, because that was like the best era. So I'm actually gonna go in with my Juvia's Place, you guys. This is the Warrior palette by Juvia. I love this palette. This is one of my favorite. This is like one of their best palettes to me. I love this palette. So you guys, I'm going to be using a makeup look inspired by Beyonce. I'm going to post a picture right up here, you guys. So inspired 90s makeup look by Beyonce. I love Beyonce. I love Destiny's Child back in the day, because that was the group to be, and that was what it was back in the way back. So I'm going to do Beyonce's, you know, 90s inspired look. So I'm going to be using some more of like this tone here. This is called a Hossie, and then we're going to go in with Mino, and we're probably going to do Kano too. So we're going to do the Ahiso first, and then Kano, and then we're going to go into this nice chocolate, which is Mino. Just to kind of...
for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to feel awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we can nearer. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we can nearer. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep him. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough.
Alright you guys, so next we're going to go ahead and move into foundation. I've already put my lashes on, you guys. So I added lashes on, although I did add mascara. I want to have like a little bit of a length, you know, on my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the NARS. This is their soft matte foundation, you guys. It is so popular. It's a trending topic right now. So if you guys haven't went to go grab you one, go get you one, sis. I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender, you guys. And I'm just going to put it all over my face.
'Cause I want something deeper. If I'm a find a keeper, not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart.
for my highlight, I'm actually gonna go in with the Juvia's Place. This is their concealer. I haven't used their concealer, you guys, in like the longest time, so I'm actually gonna use it today. The number on this one is 9. I don't know what color that is. I will tag everything down below in the description box for you guys.
Got baggage like a bellhop. Yeah, I love a cry for help, but I'm tired of lying with liars. You're the truth, I'm scared to tell. There are deal breakers where I come from. My family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper.
Now I'm gonna go in, you guys, with the Morphe. This is Banana Rich Translucent Setting Powder, you guys. I'm actually going to bake where I added that concealer.
Fighting for, yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep up. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know how much fighting for.
Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm actually gonna do a little bit of sculpting on the face.
We're so close, but still we can hear better. You're showing me something that's deeper. We're so close, but still we can hear better. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep up. Not saying I'm some genius, smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
Alright, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with this is an eyeliner, you guys. It's actually a jumbo, like, two-sided eyeliner. I got it from the Miss Shop A. I will tag it down below. It has a brown side and also has a black. We're going to tune into the black. Ooh. We're going to go into the black side, you guys, and we're going to underline our eyes. Underlining the eyes was like a big trend back in the 90s. We really don't do it that often now, but back in the 90s, like a nice little deep eyeliner to kind of give a nice shape of illusion on our eyes was like the hottest trend. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now.
Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep up. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
Alright, you guys, I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. This is actually a lip liner, you guys. I'm going to go in with his colors from Becca. The color of this is called Energetic. And then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Liquid Matte Stay, their coffee edition, which is a nude, and kind of go on the on the inner part of my lips. And then I'm going to do a nice gloss over it.
Where I come from, my family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to fill awkward silences? Do we feel emptiness afterwards? 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for. Yeah, I want something deeper. If I find him, I'ma keep up. Not saying I'm some genius, but I'm smart enough to know I'm worth fighting.
Alright, you guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun makeup look, because I did. I actually, like I said, love the era. The makeup was so simple, was so basic. It wasn't so overly dramatic like it is now, where you gotta do so much stuff and so many steps and so much process. So if you are new to my channel and you are tuned in and you made it to the end of this video, you guys, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. Make sure you go right now, hit the subscribe button and post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.